In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Trip.com using GCash. By the end, you'll feel confident booking a hotel on Trip.com and completing the payment with GCash smoothly and securely. First, open Trip.com. You can use the website on your browser or the official mobile app. Make sure your internet connection is stable before you begin, as this helps prevent errors during booking and payment. If you prefer a specific language or currency, check the settings so the prices and details display the way you expect. Next, browse and select the hotel room you want, then choose Reserve. Take a moment to review the room type, the total price, taxes or service fees, and the cancellation policy. Look for useful details like whether breakfast is included, the bed type, and the number of guests allowed. If you have travel dates in mind, confirm they're correct before moving forward to avoid change fees later. Now, enter the necessary information requested by Trip.com. This typically includes standard booking details the platform needs to secure your reservation. Type carefully and verify everything for accuracy, especially your travel dates and any preferences you add. If there are optional fields for special requests, add them here. Be sure to review the summary page so everything matches what you intended to book. When you reach the payment section, look for the option labeled Other Payment Methods. Sometimes a default method appears first, so you may need to expand or switch tabs to find the full list. Select Other Payment Methods to reveal additional choices. From that list, choose GCash. Then select Pay and follow the prompts on your screen. You'll typically be redirected to a secure payment page where you can authorize the transaction. Keep your device handy and ready, as you may be asked to confirm details and complete authentication. Ensure you have enough balance or a linked source in your GCash account to cover the total. If the screen takes a moment to load, be patient and avoid refreshing the page unless you're prompted, as that can duplicate or interrupt the process. Once the payment goes through, you should see a confirmation message on Trip.com. At this stage, your booking is secured and you can relax knowing your stay is set. If anything seems off, review the information shown on the confirmation page and check that the hotel, dates, and room type match what you selected. That's it. Opening Trip.com, choosing your room, entering the required details, selecting other payment methods, and paying with GCash by following the on-screen prompts.